Right. Hello, students. How are you all? Good afternoon to everyone. Akshit and today Akshit was came first. So very good afternoon. And then Kirtan, good afternoon. Good afternoon. And now today we are going to discuss our problem number E onwards, exercise number 6.1. Problem number E onwards we have to discuss. Previously, I said you do as a homework. I don't know whether you done or not, but I am going to explain to you those all problems again. Okay. So then, because these only important problems, these also we have to discuss. So today we'll complete exercise here. Remember carefully, if you are not moving, means once if you come, you are there here itself and you are not moving here and there, we are going to complete this exercise and I will leave you on. If you are not doing like that, I'm going to start some other also. Until I start next exercise also, I don't want to leave you on. Okay? Right, Priyanshi, good afternoon. Okay, and if you are moving like that, every day we are going to send the report in the, I will share report on YouTube report also on your group. Okay, then you feel like it is a shame. It should not be good, I feel. Right? So anyhow, let's close our eyes and we'll do a prayer, then we can. God kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. Right. So let's move on to the problem number E now. Good afternoon, Janisha. Good afternoon, Shubham. So now we are going to start our problem number E in 1. Okay. So 1E. So what is 1E? F of x is equal to cos of 1 upon x if x is not equal to a. 0 if x is equal to a. At x is equal to a, I need to check whether it is continuous or not. Okay. So I hope you all understood what I said. Right, you are writing in Chinese language. Oh my goodness. That's right. Check carefully now. F of x is equal to cos 1 upon x if x is not equal to a and 0 if x is equal to a. So now RHL, LHL is both this function only we have to use. Now let me start here this solution. Very simple here. First f of a. So f of a. So at x is equal to a plus what we get if x is equal to a, f of x is equal to 0. So your answer is 0. Equation number 1. And now we go for second one. So that is RHL I will take. You take LHL also first, whichever it is. So I'll take RHL f of 0 plus a plus 0, that is nothing but limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h. See here, remember carefully, wherever 0 is there in that place, h we need to substitute because h is a smaller value. Okay? Yes. Satish Kirtan. Okay. So now limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h. I hope yesterday Kirtan was not there. Okay. Belated, have many more happy returns of the day, Kirtan. May God bless you. So now limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h. So now observe carefully. Wherever f of x is there, now we need to substitute as a plus h. So now here cos of 1 upon x is your RHL. So just I'll write limit h tends to 0 cos of 1 upon x. 1 upon x means what is here? A plus h. So now you can write a plus h. Okay. So, sir, how f of a is equal to 0? Okay, listen this. I said clearly, if x is equal to a, f of x is equal to 0. That means f in the x place, if you substitute a, then you get answer as 0. Okay, so they given in your question x is equal to a, f of x is 0. That means f of a is 0 when x is equal to a. Alright. So now second one it is RHL. I hope it is cleared. I think Sahil Goel, which that name you are asked me question. I hope you this was cleared for you. So RHL we written here. This is equal to now remove limit. When you remove limit, we can substitute wherever h is there in that place 0. So now we can write cos 1 upon a plus 0. That is nothing but cos of 1 upon a. So at last what we got? Cos 1 upon a. So I think you are not finding this. Here I am going to write cos 1 upon a. So now observe carefully here. First one answer you got as 0. Second one answer you got as cos 1 upon a. Now check these both are equal or not equal. So this f of a and f of a plus 0 both are equal or not equal. When you observe here it is 0 and here cos 1 upon a. Now tell to me is both are equal or not equal? Tell to me, I was observing. What happened, Shubham? Yes sir, video blur. Again, check properly. No, I think it was refresh. It is your signal problem. It was clearly said. Okay, say to me firstly. These both are equal, not equal. Okay, not equal you are saying, Janisha. Very good. So here we can write now f of a is not equal to f of a plus 0. Therefore, what we can say? If both are not equal, function exists or it does not exist. Means what I need to say it is continuous or not continuous. It is not continuous. Okay. So now we can write here it is not continuous at x is equal to a. So it is means here f of x. Okay, yes, it does not exist. So now it is clear, sir. Okay, so that is about your problem number 1e. Clear now? See, once if you are getting this first equation, second equation is not equal, no need to go for our left hand limit. Okay, we have to go when these both are equal, then only we have to solve left hand limit. If these both are only not equal, no need to go for a left hand limit. Directly we can say it is a not continuous or does not exist, whichever you want to write you can. Okay, you all understood now? So I'll go, you refresh your tab so that it is possible to get. I'm finding, see in your live chat itself, I'm finding your names so that I can know who is coming, who is not coming. Okay, understood. Okay, Jinisha saying understood. Everyone understood? One more time, let me check. Check. Clear, sir. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Let me check back this all arrangement again. All right, actually it is. If you are getting blur and those all, just go to the settings and check that is whether you are seeing in HD format or not. If you are using that HD format, you are able to get everything properly. Okay, all girls are present. Where is Deepal then? I don't think Deepal is present. If Deepal present, just say present, sir. And Trapti is present, say yes, sir, present. So that I can know. You just report to your, see, girls report to Jinisha, boys report to Satish. Okay, right. So now we go for next F problem. So 1F. So 1F is this: f of x is equal to 1 upon x minus a cosec x minus a. If x is not equal to a, 0 if x is equal to a. I need to find at x is equal to a whether it is equal or not. Okay. So this is also again easy. If both are present, then okay. If they are present, it is good. But I am not finding in this numbers. Okay, now I found 11 members are present. And that I think 3 members are mine. So 7 members, 8 members are yours. Okay, so I'll go in. I'm Trapti. Okay, good. And then where is Deepal? I'm not finding Deepal. Deepal and Kirtan, you all see, remember, you all know that now class was there, so you should be careful. Right, 13 members. That's what I said. So if you are properly coming, everything will be good. See how struggle we are taking. You all observe sweat and wait, but still I was trying to help you all. And you also need to give some respect towards that. Okay? Right. Okay, Nana. Thank you. So now we are going to the F problem. Observe carefully. At x is equal to a, we have to find. So now first f of a is equal to. So when x is equal to a, what is answer? 0. So that first one is 0. And go for second one. Second one, that may be the RHS. So anyhow, this is RHL or LHL, right hand limit or left hand limit, both function is this only. So now I take here, so left hand limit or right hand limit, which you want, you tell to me. So I'm observing your comment in that place. Which one you want now? Right. Kindly tell to me. RHL you want, LHL you want? RHL. Okay. So we'll go for RHL. So RHL is equal to f of a plus 0, that is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h. Remember, here h tends to 0 is that, so wherever 0 is there, substitute h. Now, f of a plus h. In this place, wherever x is there, we need to substitute a plus h. Just substitute now. Limit h tends to 0, 1 upon a plus h minus a cosec a plus h minus a. Now observe carefully, everyone. Minus a plus a get cancelled. Minus a plus a get cancelled. That is equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 upon h cosec h. Directly substitute 0, then you can write your answer. So when you substitute 0, 1 upon 0 into cosec 0. Cosec 0 is nothing but 0. So 1 upon 0 means infinite you are going to get. So from this itself we can say that it is undefined. Okay. So now we can write here undefined. This is give as equation number 2. Let me check this part. So your HL you got as infinite now. So when you get infinite, what we can do? It is undefined. Undefined. Therefore, this gives us equation number 2. 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at x is equal to a. See, you can write in this way. Otherwise, you can change this cosec theta as 1 upon sine theta. Then you can write as sine theta upon sine x upon x form. Then you apply limit. Then you can solve. However, answer will be same, and that method also, that method I'm going to give for you in the solution. Okay, so this solution list I am going to upload, so you can check in that link later. Okay, so this is one better method, this easiest method, and that was little bit lengthy. That is also is a little lengthy. Okay, right now we'll go for now f after what is there, z, g, not z, g. See, if you are not understood, you just ask, sir, I'm not understood, so that I can help you. Right hand limit and left hand. See, I already said for you, one is enough. See, f of z, a is equal to 0 came and RHL you got as infinite. These both are not equal. So directly we can get it, this, it cannot be continuous. Or we can write as it is discontinuous function. Okay. If both are equal, means f of 0 equal, RHL equal, then LHL is not equal, means first these both are equal, then you need to go for LHL. LHL, if you get as not equal, then again it is function is does not continuous. Okay, yes, okay. So now we are going for Z not G. So f of x is equal to x square upon a minus a if x is less than a, 0 if x is equal to a minus a cube upon x square if x is greater than a. Very nice. Directly they given this is LHL, left hand limit, and this is your f of a, and this is your RHL. And they said to find at x is equal to a. Again, one person was dropped today. See, that's the reason I said everyone is present. Then I said today this exercise will complete and I will leave you all. So that means maybe within half an hour if we complete, I'll complete and I'll leave. But they see 13 members should be. So 2 members are again went back. So take care of that so that I will complete within half an hour or maybe the 40 minutes. Then I will leave you all. Okay. So early I will leave you if this exercise finishes. Right. So now we'll go for this first. At x is equal to a. So now here f of a is equal to, at x is equal to a, what is your answer? 0. Equation number 1. RHL is equal to f of a plus 0. You can tell now what I need to write. Limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h. Still one person need to come. That one person was missed. So that person also comes and you all up to the end, then it is going to be complete. So now f of a plus h. So now wherever here x is there, you have to substitute a plus h. RHL, this is your RHL. So in this place, wherever x is there, substitute a plus h. So now a minus a cube upon a plus h whole square. Remember, wherever x is there, that place substitute a plus h. That's what here substituted. Now limit h tends to 0. Now observe carefully. This is equal to limit h tends to 0. Anyhow, now I'll remove this limit so that what we get. I'll remove limit. When you remove limit, wherever h is there, substitute there 0. So that means a minus a cube upon a plus h whole square. That means a plus 0 whole square. So that is equal to a minus a cube upon a square. Square and cube get cancelled. A minus a is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Same method now. Left hand limit we have to find. I hope you don't go maybe. Right? So who is that one person? Find out and then complete it. So that I will leave you all today early. So now LHL is equal to f of a minus 0. That is nothing but limit h tends to 0, f of a minus h. So here in this left hand limit place, wherever x is there, there substitute a minus h. So now I'll substitute, just check here, limit h tends to 0. So here x is there, I need to substitute what? A minus h. So write a minus h whole square upon a minus a. Now remove this limit, just substitute. So what you are going to get? So now a minus 0 whole square upon a, that is minus a. Okay. So now what we can say? So now here it is a square upon a is equal to minus a. So now a and square get cancelled. We'll write here a minus a, that is nothing but 0. This is your equation number 3. You just observe carefully once again. So here at x is equal to a, f of a is nothing but 0. Next one, RHL is equal to f of a plus 0. So now RHL means you already know that the function is a minus a cube upon x square. So now limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h. Wherever x is there, substitute a plus h. So means here x is there, here you have to substitute a plus h. So now a minus a cube upon a plus h whole square. So now what I done? Wherever h is there, substitute 0 now. When you substitute 0, a minus a cube upon a plus 0 whole square, a minus a cube upon a square, square and cube get cancelled, a minus a is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Okay, Tanish and Akshit both are absent. So if they are present, say to let them say present, sir, so that I can know. Okay, so that is about this. Now just carefully observe here. F of a is 0 you got. F of a plus 0 is 0 you got. F of a minus 0 also you got as 0. So from this what we can say, whether it is continuous or not continuous. Continuous or not continuous. Here again 2 members gone now. Remember it. Alright, so just say to me whether it is continuous or not continuous. If you are saying continuous, how many are saying it is? Himanshu, it is continuous or not? Yes, very nice. Now you are giving answer. So at last write from 1, 2 and 3. F of x is continuous at x is equal to a. Okay, that is about your problem number G. So now we'll go for second question. Okay. Fastly, who is that one person? Find out and tell to me so that I will send you all. So only with the Akshit and Tanish. Okay. So now we are going to the second one. Test the continuity of f of x at x is equal to 3. F of x is equal to x minus x. Okay. See this box x meaning you have to remember, then only you can understand. See in this box x, if you get like 2.9, you will write that answer as 2. If you get 3.1, that is nothing but 3. 2.1 also 2. So means it is just like 2.01 to 2.99 up to that place. If any number you get, you need to write as 2. Okay. If 3.1 to 3.9, whichever number you get, you need to write as 3. Okay. This is just like rounding a number. Okay. So now you can observe carefully what we can do here. So again, 3 members are down. 3 members down now. Right. So now f of x is equal to x minus this decimal. Oh my goodness. Because of you all, this also gone then. Right, don't worry. Okay, Tanish present, then it was gone. Right. Now you can check. So now here to 3. So now we need to check at x is equal to 3. Solution f of 3. Equation number 1. Now I go for RHL. RHL means f of 3 plus 0, that is nothing but limit h tends to 0, f of 3 plus h. So now wherever x is there, substitute 3 plus h. So what we are going to get now? So that is equal to limit h tends to 0. So now here x plus what I need to write? 3 plus h. Right here 3 plus h minus in the box again 3 plus h. So now observe carefully what I need to do in this place. So what I need to do in this place? So we can write here it is 3 plus h. See 3 added with some other number means that maybe this h will be always remember h is a so much a small one, that is 0.0012, 0.99 and so on. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Don't disturb again and again. Right. So now here it is 3 plus h. So 8 means here remaining all absent. Okay, 3 plus h. Then you need to write here it is minus this full become as. So it is become as 3 only. So now you can write limit h tends to 0. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. So limit h tends to 0 h. That is nothing but remove this h. Then what? Remove this limit. You will get answer as 0. That is equation number 2. So now LHL, see, f of 3 and RHL both are same, but you go for now LHL is equal to f of 3 minus 0 limit h tends to 0 f of 3 minus h. Now what do you need to do? Wherever x is there, write substitute 3 minus h. So now you can write 3 minus h minus 3 minus h. In 3, some number you are reduced. When you reduced, it is going to be how much? For example, think h is a very small quantity 0.1. Then when you remove that 2.99, you are going to get 2.99 is nothing but 2. So now we can write here 3 minus here limit h tends to 0. Now again limit h tends to 0. 3 minus h minus this becomes as 2. So we'll write this as a 2. When you write 2, here remember 3 minus h is nothing but 2, 3 plus h is nothing but 3. Remember this. So now here 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. So limit h tends to 0 minus h. So now remove this limit and substitute. So here I'll write this part. Limit h tends to 0, 1 minus h. Now remove limit and substitute 0. So now 1 minus 0, that is nothing but 1. Equation number 3. Now check carefully here. F of 3 you got as 0. RHL you got as 0. But LHL you got answer as 1. From this what you understood, it is not continuous. So now we can write from 1, 2 and 3. F of x is not continuous at x is equal to 3. Clear now? I hope you all understood this. Okay, see, Trapti, if you are getting blur, that is, I think it is your internet problem. You just go to that highest quality of that video. Then it is going to get as a clearly. Okay. Now everyone getting properly? Or still everyone getting same method blur? Check carefully. Check now. So again, because of you, again I was changing this part. So again I was changing. Please wait. Right. Now check.